In this aid, we will voice our especially own and market's perspective on LN future while examining the connection cost gauge for 2022 and past in a genuinely significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, in every practical sense, remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything certainly is a difficult undertaking, generally not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like connection. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the connection value forecast and answer questions in the event that LN basically is a very wise speculation or not. For what reason will LN in a real sense succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will connection value rise or drop? We should rapidly most certainly toss a look at what LN is and its to-date history. LN value expectation for the following 10 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of it in every way that really matters. Complete breakdown, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched extremely high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion and US took care of rate climbs. When certainly add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon fundamentally is dim and there will generally be genuinely more blood in the city of the crypto town amazingly. Financial backers really are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional by and large stable business sectors, which is genuinely critical. Crypto for the most part is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees a some really green in 2023, particularly in the especially second piece of the year in an unpretentious manner. This especially is reflected in our 2023 expectations, which is very critical. At the present time, Bitcoin certainly needs to in a real sense find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will basically begin to truly do likewise. We sort of have seen this situation many times in the far off and kind of later history, and in every way that really matters, significant way. Our cost expectation model for the most part is negative for the kind of next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. We expect whales and for the most part other a lot greater players in the market to explicitly wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike, which is very critical. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we explicitly assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other genuinely restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022-12-01, or so they explicitly thought, plus 5.33% $27. 3920221202, which most certainly is very huge. 3.85% $250120221203, plus 3.45% $269020221204 in an unobtrusive manner. 3.49% $2520221205. plus 3.78% $269920221206 in an unobtrusive manner, plus 2.23% $2920221207, or so they for the most part thought. 3.75% $250320221208, or so they truly thought, plus 2.15% $26. 5720221209, which is genuinely huge. 5.06% $246920221210, as opposed to prevalent thinking. 2.82% $25.27 connection value expectation 2022, which is very critical. High expansion and very hazardous large-scale circumstance, especially considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we basically take the interior crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 sort of isn't looking excessively great for the bulls in an essentially large manner. We will presumably see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake incredibly. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Underneath truly is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2022 deck in a kind of significant way. 16.45% $21.73 2023 Jan in an unpretentious manner. 32.37% $17.59 2023 Feb. 24.62% $19.60 2023 blemish, 24.02% $19.76 2023 APRA, which especially is genuinely huge, 12.13% $22.85 2023 May, 13.56% $22.48 2023 Jun in an unpretentious manner, 0.86% $25.78 2023 Jul in a significant manner, plus 4.03% $27.06 2023 AUG, or so they generally thought, plus 5.60% $27.46 2023 SEP amazingly, plus 18.62% $30.85 2023 OCT in a genuinely significant manner, plus 23.54% $32.13 2023 NA, plus 26.00% $32.77 LN value expectation 2025 incredibly. Our expectation model sees LN coming to $53.05 in 2025, or so they generally thought. What will LN be worth in 5 years? The cost of LN in 5 years could lie around $50.14 connection value forecast 2030 to 2040. What connection will generally be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees connection coming to $132.64 in 2030. What connection will in every way that really matters be truly worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees connection coming to $265.27 in 2040, which sort of is very critical. Will connection basically supplant, essentially outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin in a very significant manner? No, connection won't in every way that really matters supplant or basically surpass BTC, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Can connection by and large reach $1,000 in an extremely enormous manner? Indeed, connection could for the most part reach $1,000 toward the finish of 2025, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is connection really worth purchasing? We are supporters of tolerably hazardous money management. By and large contribute the vast majority of, for the most part, your crypto portfolio in BTC. 35% in a container of especially enormous cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with immense potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, connection generally merits purchasing, which generally is very huge. Is connection an excellent interest in an especially significant manner? Interface is, very much like all for the most part other digital currencies, a hazardous speculation. It has sort of higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the very great use case, very much planned tokenomics, most certainly dynamic local area and a very strong group behind it in a significant manner. How especially will connection be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $14.98 in a genuinely significant manner. In the especially long haul, it could leap to $132.64 or even genuinely higher in an essentially huge manner. For what reason will connection succeed and truly become more expensive? Connect has a very decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, for the most part dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These for the most part are an essential for progress. And that generally is the reason our